Hey friends, if you wish to completely wipe out a hard drive, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select recovery in the right pane. What you do next is very important. Click on reset PC. There are two options. One is to keep my files and the other one is to remove everything. Since you want to wipe off everything, you can select remove everything. If you select the first option, it will reset the apps and settings, but it will keep your files. So you would want to wipe everything. Second option. Now we have two options: cloud download and reinstall, local reinstall. If you have a good enough internet connection, then try cloud download, or you can also try local reinstall, but I prefer cloud download. Then click on next and it will initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.